Okay, so there's this old, musty, abandoned car right next to my house for some reason. Let's look inside it. So, this is inside of it. It's really gross. Wow, nice. What's in here? Probably gonna get yelled at, but I really don't care. Ooh, there's like a new car here every month. For some reason, like a few months ago, there's like a musty van. Every time there's a new one, I'll do an update on it. There's no seating.
That's been here for months.
The wheel is like all messed up. Holy crap! What the hell? Oh. Okay, my boots.
There's windows.
I mean, it's an okay car in general, but like, man,
Look,
wow,
there's windows.
wow.